Tako slash vizuri. Slash vizuri. Naka kajembe. Hey. Goodness. Yo. Kulima sio mchezo bwana. This place is so tough. Ukiaki. Like yo. Check my legs. Me, I'm super tired. I'm worn out. Look. Look at my pomegranate. It's flowering. But this place is super nice. Look at the leafy suburb from the other side. Leaves. As I'm recording. Let me continue. Nishike barabara. You see down there, this house. There. The focus, when I put my hand, it focuses on my hand. Someone mentioned it is coming up, man. It's coming up. I have a neighbor here. The wall is up. Another neighbor from this other side. I think the garden is smart. Ya kwangu ndo hii hapa. Look at mine. Look at my garden. I'll come back in this garden to show people. Look at this one. This is an apple tree. Then I have this car tree. This is for pixels. I don't know. Umeniletea jembe. Nimekuja hapo kwako nikakosa jembe jameni. Nimeingia uko na fork. Nimeona tu fork na si jembe. Umenileta jembe. Aki nisaidie nione kama naweza gonga hapa chini kwa sababu si kitu rahisi. Let me take the jambes. Jameni. This place is super tough because of the huge stones. Super tough. You cannot do with a fork. Look at the soap. Kasawa soap. Misawa soap. I don't know how old it is, but I don't know what this black thing built on it. What is in nini surely? This one here on the sour soap. Is it sick or something? Dayo, hii sour soap ni mgonjwa. Hizi ni ugonjwa. This thing, they look like ugonjwa on it. It's like sickening, but again I see it's growing. You see? Is it focusing well? I don't know what's wrong with it. My cassava saw. Then I have, this is lemon. Hey, it's so sick. Look at this. Surely. Hey guys. Whoa. This is nachukua dawa gani? What kind of dawa I should put on these plants? But again, these indigenous, are they indigenous trees? These ones, they are doing so well. On to this other side, we have the orange tree here too. Let's check, and it's flowering too. Look at it. Inafanya kuflower. Nice one. And then pale ka mango, the little mango tree, liku mango. Let's see. This one here. One of the avocado that imekata kugrow here. And this one is a grafted. Kama? Kama mbe nimekaona ni kadogo. See these goats. Say hello to my beautiful audience. Chris, say hello. Sema hello. Yes, look at that. Ngombe mbuzi zinataka kukuba hizi nini majani ni tough. Zitaitafuna kweli. Hizi ni ngumu sana. Usiku zinalala kazi zimefunganishwa hivyo? Umezidi kuzipandisha hapo juu. This place is steepy, so they are from down the other side. That's why he tied the goats that much. Oh my goodness. Ayansaidie jembe. Nisaidie jembe yako. Nimeingia hapo ndani nikatoka hadi huko nje siko na jembe. Maji nimeangalia. Glasses. Carrots. Nikile carrots kwa wingi. Aki nimeingia hapo ndani nikaangalia, nikatafuta. This is a hardworking boy by the name Chris who? Jina lako ni nani? Chris nani? Shika? From where? Which? Western people in the building. Okay. No, the westernized people like this young girl here. Dayo, say hi. Westernized people in this village, they are the people who are hard workers. Cindy, you do hard work. Good job. Okay. Let me start building my nation. Like I want to start this farming process here, but the grass is super tough. Hii grass hata sijui nini aje actually. The place is anyway. Let's do what we can do. Penye tumefikia, we will see by the end of the day. But first of all, we start by slashing to remove the tall grasses. We remove the tall grasses, and then let's say I'll show you the aftermath. Inaitwa nani kwanza? Aki. Milo. This thing is big. Let me see you. Milo. Hi. Hii kitu inaweza kwa kilo ngapi? 20. Ameniangalia. Are you looking at me? Hi. Look at that. Ayezi ni mzito. Milo. Anataka kuenda. Ashachoka na simu zetu. Haya. Anataka oh, those others zenye zimeenda. Itakuteremsha. If it knows siwachane tu na iteremke. Guys. Ikienda. Unafunga na mguu moja. So it moves na mguu moja. Ina move na mguu moja. Oh. Itatembea tu pole. Milo. Good night. Yo. You guys, tushamaliza. We've done our level best. Shamba ijafika popota. We will do it again tomorrow. Say bye-bye. See ya.